Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will cook our authentic Filipino Palabok. This dish is savory and full of Filipino comfort food flavor, perfect for family meals or special occasions. Let us start with the ingredients. We are using bihon, rice vermicelli noodles, shrimp, ground pork, garlic, onion, fish flakes, palabok mix powder, shrimp powder, fish sauce, salt and pepper. Bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the noodles for about 10 minutes until soft but not mushy. Heat a pan over medium heat and add olive oil. Fry the shrimp just until they turn pink. Then once ready, remove the shrimp from the pan and set aside. We will add them back later. Using the same pan, we will saute the garlic and onions until fragrant and soft. Now let's go ahead and add the ground pork and cook until fully browned. Drizzle in salt and pepper, then mix everything well. Let's add fish flakes and stir to combine. This adds extra depth and savory flavor to the sauce. Pour in 2 cups of water, then add 1 packet of palabok mix powder. Stir well to dissolve and let the sauce come together. Now add 2 spoons of shrimp powder, adjust to taste, mix well, and let the sauce gently simmer. Here, add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, adjust to your preference, and then check the sauce for consistency. It should be smooth, rich, and slightly thick. Add the cooked shrimp back into the sauce and let everything simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to serve. Arrange the noodles on a platter and generously pour the shrimp sauce over the top. Now let's go ahead and sprinkle some crushed chicharron for crunchiness. Last but not least, add green onion leaves and slices of boiled egg for the finishing touch. And there it is, guys, our Filipino Palabok. Rich, flavorful, and absolutely comforting. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Filipino dishes. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!